The day you stop blaming your circumstances is the day your life starts changing. Not slowly, not eventually, immediately. Because ownership is power, and without it, you're always waiting on something outside of you to improve. Ownership is freedom, not pressure. Most people avoid ownership because it feels heavy. It feels like pressure. It feels like admitting fault. But ownership isn't about blame. It's about control. When you take ownership, you stop saying, "Why is this happening to me?" and start saying, "What can I do about this?" That shift alone changes everything. Because if it's your responsibility, it's within your power. If it's someone else's fault, you're stuck waiting. And waiting is weakness. Ownership doesn't mean everything is your fault. It means your response is your responsibility. And that's where growth lives. The victim mindset feels comfortable. Blame is seductive. It protects your ego. It gives you an excuse. It says, "It's not my fault." And sometimes it isn't. But here's the problem. Even if something isn't your fault, it's still your responsibility to deal with it. Life doesn't pause because you were treated unfairly. It doesn't rewind because the timing wasn't right. Ownership says, "I don't control everything, but I control how I respond." And response determines results. Ownership builds confidence. When you take ownership, something powerful happens. You stop feeling helpless. You stop feeling reactive. And you start feeling capable. Even mistakes become fuel. Instead of shame, you extract lessons. Instead of excuses, you build adjustments. Ownership turns setbacks into stepping stones because you refuse to waste the experience. And over time, that builds unshakable confidence. Not because everything goes right, but because you trust yourself to respond correctly when it doesn't. This week, we're eliminating blame. We're eliminating excuses. And we're eliminating waiting. Because ownership isn't optional if you want growth. As always, remember these 3 ideals as you go for your goals. Stay consistent. When you don't feel like it, just do it anyway. Your future self will thank you. Don't give up. Giving up is a guarantee that you will not hit your goals. I know there will be struggles, but get something out of them. You are much closer to your goals than you think, so giving up is not an option. And finally, strive to be 1% better than you were the day before. You don't have to make big leaps. Just small steps of self-improvement each and every day will help you move closer towards your goals. Now let's get out there and get them. You got this. I believe in you.